I'll go 2, 10, 5, 1, 9, I'm back. Over. Are you eating sour cream chips on you? Over? Hell yeah, sounds good. Roger that. The Big 10-4. There's a Jeep at A. Over. I'm standing on that guy. Hey, put C4 on it real quick before we get noticed. There's a tank up here. There's a tank up here. Put C4 on the buggy. I think he sees us. Better hurry, hurry. Do it now! Yeah! Alright, load me up again. I'll go right for the base. Oh, there's another tank. Hurry up. Alright. Do it. No! No! Yeah! Dude, I was sliding sideways and I got him. Oh, hell yeah. I'm a personal fucking jihadist. You have no risk involved. Alright, here comes something. I'm gonna go get him. I'm gonna drive right in their base and blow it. Oh, here's the Jeep. Get ready. Not yet. Oh shit, I'm in hot pursuit. I'm stuck though. Fuck. Shit, come on. Come on. Where is he? Alright, get ready. I'm coming. I'm coming up behind him now. Over. Get ready. Now! Coming in for a new refill. Over. I'm getting this all on video too. Oh, it's gonna be epic. Big montage later of it. Want me to drive straight in their base? Alright, here I go. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Blow it! Oh, I hit the guy with the Jeep. Dude, it blew up, dude, but it's too late. It fucking, Alright. There was a guy waiting for the chopper and I straight ran him over.